Welcome! Today, you'll learn how to enable voice search in the Google Chrome app with the latest steps. Voice search lets you find information quickly and hands-free, making your browsing experience faster and more convenient. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, head over to your App Store, download Google Chrome, and launch it. Once Chrome is open, tap the plus sign or the option to open a new tab. This gives you a fresh search page and ensures you're ready for the next step. Now, look at the search bar at the top of your screen. You'll notice a small microphone icon right inside the search bar. Tap on this microphone icon to begin. If this is your first time using voice search, Chrome might ask for permission to access your microphone. This is a standard security step to protect your privacy. When prompted, simply grant the permission. This allows Chrome to listen to your voice commands and process your searches. With permissions granted, you're ready to go. Just speak clearly into your device and say what you want to search for. Chrome will instantly process your voice and display the search results on your screen. Voice search is especially useful when you're on the go, multitasking, or just want a faster way to look things up. You don't need to type, just speak and let Chrome do the work. If you ever run into issues, double-check that your microphone is working and that Chrome has the necessary permissions enabled in your device's settings. Sometimes you may need to revisit your app permissions if you accidentally denied access the first time. That's all it takes to enable and use voice search in the Google Chrome app. Try it out and see how much easier browsing can be. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from hands-free searching. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.